for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. Today's video is dedicated to all of the videos that we've created this year in the year of 2020. As you guys know, the PE Spot was established in March of 2020 in light of this pandemic. Well, we brought you guys so many fun do-it-yourself PE games. So we thank you guys, and please make sure you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that greatest hit of 2020 video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys are interested in Beyblades, definitely check out Jordan's channel at
Jordan's Batteria.
Beyblade videos that you guys should definitely check out. Again, we thank you for your love and support. The PE Spots community grow. So thank you so much for your love and support once again. Again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we wish you and your family a wonderful and happy
New Year's.
Happy New Year's. Bye.